Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use sum ifs function. Okay, why it is called sum ifs function? Because it has multiple ifs. Okay, sum if function has only one if, and sum ifs function got multiple ifs. Only if all the ifs are satisfied, then only it will sum the corresponding value. Okay, what I have here is that products. I have a set of products, about 25 products, and their category, whether it is new or old, and the sales. Okay, I got the corresponding sales value. Okay, now I want to use some ifs function to do a multiple criteria and a sum. Okay, so see this example: total sales raised by the product Alice Mutton, and the category is supposed to be old. Okay, what is the total sales raised by the product Alice Mutton? So two conditions are here. One is the Alice Mutton, the name of the product is supposed to be Alice Mutton, and the category is supposed to be old. Then I want to add the sales. Okay, so how to do this one? I have I got some ifs function, and I have what is the sum range, what you want to add, which is nothing but the sales range. Okay, then what is the criteria range? Criteria range is nothing but we have a multiple criteria range, and the criteria range 2, and the criteria, and so on. So our first condition is product name should be Alice Mutton. So criteria range is the product names. Okay, this is the criteria range, and the criteria is the name supposed to be Alice Mutton. Alice Mutton. Okay, so the first condition we already written. One is the range where you must to apply the condition. The second one is the condition value, and now you are going to write the second condition, which is nothing but the category. Okay, the category, and again, what is the value you are looking for? Want to look for old. So you have two conditions here, which has to be applied on first condition applied on the range A to A cell and A column, and second condition must be applied on the B column. Okay, first condition supposed to be equal to Alice Mutton, and the second one is old. If both the conditions are true, then it will take that sales value and add it. Okay, I'll just enter. You see 6,275. Okay, let's check whether Alice Mutton 1 old. Okay, 3,227. Another Alice Mutton old is here. Only these two Alice Mutton old is there. The value is 6,275. The other Alice Muttons are new. Category is different, so it is not adding these values. Okay, so 7225 is the right answer. Similarly, we have another condition: total sales where the sales greater than $1,000 and less than $2,000. How to do this? Similar. The same thing, sum ifs function. The sum range is the sales again. Then the criteria range is I want to check the sales greater than 1000. Okay, So again the sales is the criteria 1 range, and the condition is conditions supposed to put it in double quotes enclosed, greater than, you can use all the logical operators, greater than 1000, close the condition. So this is the criteria range where you want to apply the criteria. Second one is, this is the actual criteria. Again you have another condition which is sales less than 2000. Again the sales range. So the criteria 2 range is C, again sales. Okay, then the criteria for second range is less than 2000, close the double quotation, close the bracket. Okay, so this is a very interesting example because there are some we are going to perform on sales, and our first condition also on sales itself, and the condition is greater than 1000, and again the second condition is also on the sales itself, and the condition is less than 2000. Enter. So now what we have here is 7835. That means the total transaction whichever is greater than 1000 and less than 2000 value, if you add together you will get a 7839. Okay, now we have third example. We have old, category is old, and the product is Alice Mutton. How to work on this? Also the same sum if, then the category range. Okay, what do you want to add? You want to add the sales. The range is sales, some range is sales. What do you want to add? Okay, sorry, this is some ifs. Okay, range is sales. What is our first criteria? The category is supposed to be old. Okay, category, and the value is supposed to be old. Okay, so the first the range is the category, and the category value is old. Similarly, the next is product name. Okay, for this position what you can do is that instead of old you can just click on the cell itself, the cell value itself. Okay, now you are going to check the Alice Mutton on the product range. The second criteria is range, and the value is Alice Mutton, which is F8. So this way you can also check on the cells instead of putting the value. Close the bracket. Then you will have okay, I just bring the cells here. Okay, now you can see here it is 6275. You can see the formula one more time. You have the range on sales, then category is B cells, but the value is supposed to be E8, which is old. Similarly, the other criteria condition is on products, A column A2 to A26, and the value is supposed to be F8 value. Okay, enter 6278 6275. Similarly for new and anisette syrup, some ifs, some ranges on sales, and the criteria is on category. What is the criteria value? Supposed to be the new, the cell value of E9. Then again the second criteria is on the name of the product. What is the criteria value of the name of the product is aniseed syrup, which is in F9. Close the bracket. Then you will get the total value of new and anisette syrup is 321, because only one record is there, the value. Okay, this is the way you can use the sum ifs function for multiple conditions, criterias involved, and sum any corresponding sales or any values. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.